Hey friends, this is Atif Opier. Well, and welcome to the new update on ARPA chain. In today's video, we will take a look at this bullish reversal setup, and I also want to show you this big down channel. And ARPA chain has also formed a diamond bottom pattern on the daily time frame chart within this down channel. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me to begin with this bullish reversal setup that I shared with my members at the Patreon almost 3 days ago, and that was a harmonic bullish reversal butterfly move. And I told my members that from here we can expect a bullish reversal. And this setup was, by the way, formed with the Bitcoin pair on the 4-hour time frame chart. And our sell targets were from 179 and goes to 193, and the buying zone was from 173 to 165. And after playing this chart, we can see that the price line has reversed. It is bounced from this potential reversal zone, and it has hit this sell target. But I am expecting that this move can be bigger one, because at the same time, if we take a look at this weekly time frame chart, then ARPA chain is moving inside a very big down channel on this weekly time frame chart, and we are very close to the resistance of this down channel. By the way, we also have a key resistance here that is at 5.5 cents, and you can see that previously back here in the month of August 2020, it had been working as a resistance. We had a very powerful rejection by this resistance. And here we had a slight rejection that is visible, by the way, on the daily time frame chart, not on the weekly time frame. And once we broke it down here, then again it was breaking as a resistance. We had a very powerful rejection by this resistance on the weekly time frame. And here we again broke it out in the month of August 2021, and after that it was breaking here as a support and here as a support in the month of January 2022. For 2 weeks it has been breaking as a support, and right now, after breaking down this support here in the month of May 2022, we have broken it down once again. It is breaking as a resistance, and you can see recently on this weekly time frame we had a rejection here on 20th of June 2022. And by the way, we also had a rejection as well that is also visible on the daily time frame chart. That is in the month of May 2022. Let me show you on the daily time frame. Then we can see here when we broke it down in the month of April, at the end of April, then we again moved up but could not break it out, and we got rejected on 5th of May, and we again tested the support of the down channel. Therefore, in my point of view, if we will break out this resistance of this down channel, that will be not sufficient to start a long-term bullish move from here. We will also need to break out this key resistance of 5.5 cents as well. And at the same time, we have a diamond bottom pattern that has been formed on the daily time frame chart, and you can see here we have the resistance of this diamond bottom, the previous resistance, and here we have the recent support of this diamond bottom pattern, and this was the previous support here, and the most recent resistance that we have, that is here. And you can see that we are in a perfect downtrend within this down channel, and here we have formed this diamond bottom pattern. And now, for example, if ARPA chain will break out this resistance of the diamond bottom, then our target will be here, approximately here at 7.3 cents, and that is beyond this key resistance of 5.5 cents as well. Therefore, next few hours are very important for ARPA chain. We are very close to break this resistance of the diamond bottom, and as we know that this pattern in itself is considered to be a bullish bias, therefore there is a high probability that we may break it out. And after breaking out this channel, this diamond bottom pattern, we can also break out this channel, and it can also make a powerful attempt to break out this resistance of the down channel as well. Now let's take a look at the target for this down channel. Then the bigger target, the target for this down channel here at the top of the channel, that will be approximately at 22 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.